I think you got a natural born sailor here.
I think so.
This much you can sailboat.
You need to rent a sailboat first.
Yeah.
Bring them out a couple of days, make sure that they understand what it's all about first. Because this is an unusually nice day.
Yeah. This is a good introduction. It's like the first time I took the boys fishing. We went striper fishing and we were pulling them in the boat right and left, and I'd tell them, this is not real fishing, guys. You're lucky. This is a fluke.
Yeah, the first time we didn't catch one.
I was standing on the beach one time, and everybody, as far as you could see to the left, and everybody as far as you could see to the right, were pulling in bluefish. I've got the same tackle, everything, and I'm doing all day, and finally my brother gets tired. I said, well, let me try your rod. Maybe you got, and I tried his, and he was catching them, and I couldn't get them. Boy, you talk about an ego.